chapter speed and temperature. Last class we have learned about the speed. Today you will know about the temperature. Temperature, you are knowing about temperature. What is the temperature? A temperature is the measure of how hot or cold an object is. What is temperature? It is a measure of hot and cold, how hot and cold object is. Understood? So that is known as a temperature. Now a temperature is the instrument used for measuring temperature. Temperature is measured in degree and the symbol for degree is what? Symbol for degree is what? Temperature? This one, no? This is the symbol for degree. Understood? Next one is what? That there are two types of temperature scale. There is two type of temperature scale. One is what? Celsius and another one is Fahrenheit. Celsius and Fahrenheit. Two types of temperature scale, Celsius and Fahrenheit. The Celsius scale marked from 0 to 100 degree. This Celsius scale, it is marked from what? 0 to 100 degree. Clear it is? And Fahrenheit scale marked from 0 to 220 degree. 0 degree to 220 degree. Okay. So here I will say you something about the scale. We observe that boiling point of water in Fahrenheit is 212, in centigrade is 100 degree. Hot bath in Fahrenheit 104, centigrade 40. Beach weather Fahrenheit 86, in centigrade 30. Room temperature for Fahrenheit 69.8, centigrade 21. Freezing point of water Fahrenheit 32 and centigrade 0. Very cold day Fahrenheit 0.4 and centigrade minus 18. Centigrade is minus 18. Okay. So what we will do today, you will learn some conversion about Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Conversion Celsius to Fahrenheit. If you have to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, we use this formula. What? Fahrenheit equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. If you have to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, we will use this formula. What is that? C equal to bracket F minus 32 into 5 by 9 into 5 by 9. Okay. So it is clear to you all. Let's do one sums problem using the converting centigrade to Fahrenheit. So convert 30 degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. What is the question? Convert 30 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Yes. So what you have to do? You have to put this in formula F equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. Yes, you will write this. So 30 degree Celsius equal to 30 degree Celsius equal to what you will write? 30 into 9 by 5 plus 32. Yes, then we will cut this one. 5 table, 6 up. Now 6, 9 you will do. 6 into 9, what will be the answer? 54 plus 32. Now you will add this 54 plus 32. You will add, what answer you will get here? What is the answer? 86 degree Fahrenheit. So next one, you will change Fahrenheit to centigrade. What is the question here? Number 2 question we can see here. Convert 95 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Here what formula we will do? Here we will use degree Celsius equal to F minus 32 into 9 5 by 9. Yes, 5 by 9. Here Fahrenheit it is, what is given there? 95 degree Fahrenheit. 95 degree Fahrenheit equal to 95 minus 32 into 5 by 9. 95 minus 32 into 5 by 9. When you will minus it, what you will get here? When you will minus 95 minus 32, you will get here 63. 63 into 5 by 9. 63 into 5 by 9. In 9 table, the 63 will also cut. 9 ones are and 7s are. Yes, 9 7s are, it is 63. Now, what you will do? You will multiply this 7 into 5. What will be the answer? 35 degree centigrade. 35 degree centigrade. Understood? So it is clear to you all. You got the answer. What is the answer? 35 degree centigrade. So what you have learned in second question? Second question you have learned that you have to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade. So what is the question? Convert 95 degree Fahrenheit to centigrade. So here formula is degree centigrade equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Yes. So 95 degree Fahrenheit equal to 95 minus 32 into 5 by 9. Good. Now 95 minus 32, when you will do, what answer you will get here? 63. Yes. Now 63 into 5 by 9. Clear it is? Now you will cut this. By 9 table it will cut. 9 ones are and 9 sevens are 63. Now 7 5s are equal to how much? 7 5s are equal to 35. So answer here came 35 degree Celsius. What is the answer? 35 degree Celsius. And number 1 question, what you have seen here? In this question you have to convert centigrade into Fahrenheit. You have to convert centigrade into Fahrenheit. Understood? So here Fahrenheit equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. 9 by 5 plus 32. Fahrenheit equal to C 9 by 5 plus 32. So 30 degree Celsius equal to 30 into 9 by 5. You will cut this 6 are. Yes. Now 6 9s are. What is that? 54 plus this 32. You will write here. Okay. Now you will add this. What you will get here? 86 degree Fahrenheit. 86 degree Fahrenheit. So what you have learned today? Today you have learned about temperature. Yes, good. You have learned about temperature. And what is the temperature? Temperature is measured how hot and cold object is. Two type of temperature scale you have learned. What are the two type of temperature scale? Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. What is the Celsius 0 degree to 100 degree, and Celsius scale read as a degree Celsius. Yes. Next one, Fahrenheit scale marked from 0 degree to 220 degree. Yes. And this scale read as a degree Fahrenheit. And after that, what you have seen, how you will convert centigrade to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to centigrade. So two sums I have shown you, and I have given you the formula also. You will learn the formula, and with this base sums will come. You will put in formula and you can do it. It will be easy for you. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a nice day.